Today I will be showing a newest airdrop that will happen this coming May 25, and it is Polka Chain airdrop. So it is really simple how to join this airdrop. Okay, I'm going to put the link description. I'm going to put the link below, and what it is very simple. You don't need to put any money on this one. So the first thing that you just need to do is you join the Telegram group, okay, and then you join their Telegram announcement channel. So as you can see here, uh, I've joined their Telegram channel. I've also joined their official group, okay, and I also retweet their I also retweet their tweet here in Twitter. So that's another entry. So I also followed them on Twitter. So as you can see here, I already followed them. And then of course you can also earn more if you refer using your own link. Okay. So it's really simple, and I think this one is pretty much legit because as you can see here, they do have already 76,000 300 followers. So this airdrop has been pretty much uh, big for some time now. And if you will look onto their website, it is secured. As you can see here, they're giving even a live pre-sale here, flat 20% bonus. Where one polka as of now is around 0.12. However, in the listing price on 15th May, the price is around 0.45. So probably if you have $200 right now, if listing happened, okay, maybe it will triple your money already. So it's really good. They do, as you can see here, Polka Chain. Of course, they are high yield automated cross chain platform by governance. Okay, evolved with Polka Chain, integrated smart contract platform, and even cross chain data interaction. If you will go here, they are proposing new solutions, and they do have like problems stated here, where probably they are um, solving these problems right here. So they do have an airdrop. The tokenomics is around 21 million. Token distribution, ticker is Polka. Okay, 20% for fundraising. And I think this one is pretty much good allocation. Okay, so it is a native utility token in Polka Chain protocol, and it has been pretty much going for some time now. They do have really good partners right here. Okay, uh, a lot of venture capitals here, and I mean everything is doing well here. Uh, in their white paper, I think it's really cool. To I think it's really good. Okay, everything is matching. Okay, it is from Kentucky. If I go here, it is here. It is also placed here in Kentucky, and then it is a Polkadot based first layer to decentralized cross chain high yield prediction platform by community governance. Okay, so they they have the goals working. They do have a governance as well. Let's see. Let's look for the governance. Okay, they do have governance and everything, and I think the team is really cool. They do really professional here, and that's it for this video, guys. I think we can still join this airdrop. Okay, so there are a lot of Polka tokens to be uh, distributed, and don't don't mind if you didn't receive, like, maybe let's say if this one become a scam only, like they just only got our followers, or they just we just joined their group but we didn't receive anything. Do not worry for this one, because um basically here you're just joining it. Okay, you join the group, the you retweet their Twitter, and you're earning some Polka tokens as well. So if it's legit, it will just appear here in your Binance Chain wallet. So it's gonna be easy for you. So do not overthink that much here. And okay, I'm going to drop it as well in the description box below on how you can do it. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this one. Please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here. I'm continually creating contents for play to earn games. I'm also doing some trades and high yield farming projects right here. So see you in the next video.